Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and this is...
It's old, what's his name again?
That's right. And today we have a very special video for you. A company by the name of Asoko, A-S-O-K-O, reached out to us and asked us to do a review, if we were interested in doing a review of one of their lights. And we said, of course.
Naturally.
We'd be happy to. So Asoko was started in 2017 by a young lady by the name of Doris, who wanted to make a simple light for easy installation and to sell it online. And so with the help of her roommate, Lena, that's exactly what she did. And they have sent us this very nice LED dimmable motion sensor light that is sold on Amazon. Now, Asoko's motto is simple light, simple life. And they believe that life should be more simple with more happiness. So we're gonna show you the light that they sent us. And so Grumpy Grandpa is gonna hold up the box.
That's my cue.
And we're gonna open it. We haven't opened it yet. This is the box.
That's the box. See, it
Yeah.
says
Asoko.
Asoko Wako there.
There you go. It comes in 3 colors.
Oh, boy.
It's touch control. It's dimmable. It is USB rechargeable. It is on sale right now. You get it on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below in the description box. And I believe they're going to send me a discount code for you all. And when I get that, I'll put that down in the description code too. It is on sale right now for $24.99.
It's empty.
The box is empty after you take out the light.
Yeah.
Okay. It is sensor, so you can put it like underneath your kitchen cabinet. There's a lot of places that you could use this light. So let's see, those are the magnets that you can attach the light to, and it's very lightweight. All right, so let's show them the light. No, it's not charged yet. It takes 4 hours to charge it completely, so we're gonna charge it and then we're gonna show you what it is like. Okay, here is the touch control right there. So as I told you, it comes in 3, you can change it to 3 different colors. It's dimmable from 10% to 100%. You press this long press to adjust the brightness. It remembers your last setting as far as brightness. It will, if you come within 13 feet of it, it senses you, so it will turn on. It will stay on for 20 seconds if there's no motion in front of it. If there's no movement, it stays on for 20 seconds. Let me see. There's the built-in magnets in the back that you can attach with these 3M adhesive. It will stay continuously charged for 6 hours or for 25 days in the motion sensor mode if you use it like on the average of 10 times a day. So where could you use this? Well, first of all, of course, you could use it underneath your cabinet in the kitchen. You could use it in one of your closets, even if it has a light in it. You know, what you need is always in the very back of the closet, on the bottom, where the light doesn't show. So you could put one of these in your closet, like against the wall like this. So when you're looking, it would shine down there. You could use it in a dark hallway. Another place that I think would be really a good idea to use, you know how you come in your entranceway at night, you've got all those bags, and you've got your keys, and if you're a lady, you've got a purse. So you unlock your door, you come in, you step in, you shut set your bags and purse down, and then you're fumbling for the light switch. Well, if you had this right inside your door, the moment you stepped in, this would come on. Then you could see where you've set your bags. You're not going to trip over them now. It would light up so you could see where the light switch is, and it would keep you from falling over your bags and purse. Another place that I'm thinking would be a good idea is, you know how you turn off your light to go to bed? Well, then the room turns dark and you can't see your pathway to the bed. Put this right underneath near the floor, underneath the light switch. When you turn off the light switch, this is going to go on by your sensor and you can see your pathway to the bed. So there's a lot of places that you could put this that would really help. I know when we were at our son's house, this was Christmas Day, we were staying at their house, and I turned off the light switch, and the room was real dark because he had blackout blinds on, and I was trying to go to bed and, feeling my way, and my feet got tangled up in the cords, and I fell backwards and broke my L1. I was in a lot of pain.
Too much information.
Lot of pain, had to have surgery, and it was terrible. But what one of these had been on the wall and lit up by motion sensor, I would have seen those cords and I wouldn't have fallen. This could have avoided me having a lot of pain and having to have surgery. So this could be a great Christmas present too, if you know someone that has possibility of falling, okay? So we're gonna charge it up and show you what it looks like whenever it is charged up and works. So I think this is a great idea. All right, so we'll be back in we'll be back in 4 hours, but for you it's gonna see, I'll be back in 4 hours, but it'll seem like a blink of an eye, okay? Okay, so it's fully charged, and now we're gonna put the magnets on. It came with 3 magnets, but you only need 2. You peel off the back, which is the sticky part, and then put the magnets on the 2 magnets on the back. And so the magnets are quite strong, and you'll see here at first he puts it on upside down, but then he takes it off and fixes it. And then we're gonna put the light on the baseboard on my side of the bed so I can see, upside down, turn it around, there we go. And you'll see how it's so easy. You just stick it on the wall, and there he is sticking it on the wall. We've set it for bright and for auto, and it works just perfectly for when I get out of bed to go to the bathroom, and when I come out of the bathroom to go to the bed. And also it picks up when I come out of the living room into the bedroom, the sensor picks me up to come into the bedroom or go to the bathroom, because Grumpy Grandpa goes to bed before me because I stay up late crafting. Now you're seeing the light from my phone also, but it perfectly lights up the floor. There I am in bed and I'm getting out. See how the light went off? It's just perfect. It lights up the whole floor pathway for me. So it really works just as perfectly as we had hoped it would. So we want to thank Asoko for sending us this light. It really works well. It works just like we wanted it to for in the bedroom there, and I'm sure it would work well for you too, wherever you would want to put it. We appreciate the pleasure of doing this review for Asoko. We hope you'll check it out. Check out the link down below. This is really a very versatile product that could be used so many places in your home, and it's working exactly how we want it to work in our bedroom. So I think it would make a great Christmas gift too that won't break the bank. So, thanks so much for watching, and thanks again to Asoko, and we hope to see you again at Known As Here again very soon. Bye!